this nitrogen has been absorbed by the plants, and then phosphate has been absorbed by the plants. Yes, and if you are cutting this forest and forest को आप कहीं और ले जा रहे हो, yes or not? After cutting, this trees has been what is it? Taken somewhere else, and if it has been taken somewhere else, it means what is it? This soil will lose nutrient. Which soil? Nitrogen and phosphates. Understood? कल बताया तो था मैंने कि nutrient cycle will get disturbed if there is a what? Deforestation. और यहीं पे if this tree will remain over there, they will die and again their nitrates and phosphates will come into the soil. Getting my point? So if it is remain over there, but at the same time also मैंने बताया कि nutrient cycle तो disturb होगा, but at the same time, yes, there will be a disturbance in the form of, I said, मुझे एक और चीज याद आ गया, इससे बता दूंगा, and there will be some different kind of organism living on the forest, on those trees. Several organisms, those species will also what is the finish. Understood? So it's the biggest loss if the deforestation is taking place. One I am talking about ecological pyramid. Which one I said that? फटाफट बना लीजिएगा आप लोग. Ecological pyramid. I said that by number, ecological pyramid by biomass and ecological pyramid by energy. These are the three pyramids are there, which are I said. Number. I said that this is an upright. Which pyramid is this? Upright pyramid. And numbers of vegetation, I said that producer is very high, and if you'll go that if there is lots of vegetation, it is eaten by some herbivores, and then herbivores are eaten by, I said that less number of what? Primary consumer. Yes, and then less eaten by the secondary consumer, that is tigers and all, secondary, and this way we can be able to see that it is in a what? Upright pyramid for which? Just tell me. So it means a number is what is in decreasing, upright pyramid, but there is an also existence of what? Inverted pyramid. Killer. A tree is one producer. Tree is one, but on the tree birds are large in number. Yes, and birds ke along there are some microorganisms which are existing along with the birds, and the tree is microorganism. So it is known as what? Inverted pyramid. Understood? So UPSC will ask you that there is an ecological pyramid, my number will be only inverted. It is wrong. So it will be also upright and also. Understood? Next one I said that ecological pyramid by biomass. Inverted. Upright. And in case of upright, I said that the large number of what is in a producer, biomass is very large. Yes. And their weights are comparatively very less एक biomass का. उसको हम लोग उसको कौन खाता है? Herbivores. Their biomass is comparatively less. And then coming to the upright, other primary consumer, and then other, becoming that size of the animal, what is it? I said that becoming bigger, but the biomass is less. I said, which one I said? Just tell me. Other secondary consumer and tertiary consumer. So biomass is keep on decreasing in the top of the, what is a trophic level. Trophic मैंने कल बताया था. Trophic means energy and nutrient. It is known as this is, I said that heterotroph and others are autotroph and others are heterotrophs. और ये कौन सा सिस्टम है? Tell me. It is a terrestrial ecosystem. But in aquatic ecosystem, it is an inverted pyramid. It is an inverted pyramid. Understood? क्योंकि वहां पे रेगुलर गुड अमाउंट ऑफ व्हाट इज एन बायोमास कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जनरेट हो रहा है, एंड दैट इज एन इनिशियल लेवल पे फाइटोप्लैंक्टन्स आर व्हाट इज एन एवरी टाइम. अभी भी जाके देखेंगे ओशियन में फिशेस विल बी मोर, फाइटोप्लैंक्टन्स विल बी व्हाट, देयर बायोमास विल बी व्हाट, लेस. अंडरस्टूड? जो प्रोड्यूसर है वो कम है, लेकिन रेगुलरली दे आर फॉर्मिंग एंड दे रिटेन, एंड देन और maximum this biomass it is forming along the continental shelf, forming along the, not in the deeper ocean. And then after that all the animals, cutting the big animals, their life cycle is very big, and then getting into the deep sea and all. So there is an what biomass is very comparatively less, and above उसको fish खाने वाले का total biomass is what, less, and उससे बड़े fish खाने वाले biomass is what, big fish is more. So in aquatic ecosystem, and especially in which aquatic ecosystem I am talking about? Yes, oceanic. In which I said that aquatic ecosystem will have inverted pyramid, and then terrestrial ecosystem biomass will be what? Upright. Understood it? And for energy pyramid, all of you know that only it is what? Upright. 10% it will be 100%. First reason may, if the energy is 100%, then it is in a 10%, then 1%, then 0.1%, like this. So the energy pyramid is always upright. Understood? Again, in the case of number, there is an upright pyramid, and there is an, I said that, inverted. In case of biomass, there is an upright as well as I said that, inverted. Understood it? And inverted case में जो है aquatic ecosystem, upright case में there is a what? Terrestrial ecosystem. Who has given ecosystem word? Yes, Tansley. And who has given the ecology? Haeckel. Biodiversity. Just if I said that यहाँ पे which biodiversity you will like most? Biodiversity with trees or biodiversity with what? Rose flowers. कौन सा फ्लावर आपको, कौन सा biodiversity will like? You will like biodiversity with, so biodiversity term was given by, yes, can you remember biodiversity term was given by Rose? I said yesterday I talked to you biodiversity means we have first we have got the Convention on Biodiversity in 1985 and thereafter further in the Cartagena Protocol. So first we have a Convention on Biological Diversity, yes, in 1985. Further it has been converted into what is a Cartagena Protocol, means it is becoming a legal, it is a convention. कल आप लोग देखेंगे convention is what is a simple assembly sitting together, group of what is in a states, means countries are getting together, it is a convention. But when then the group of parties getting together with the some kind of what is in a scientifically coded laws, rules, regulations, and then with the legal binding, that becomes what? And then finally it has been Nagoya Protocol. क्लियर? तो काट दिया नाग ने, और ये क्या है? बायोडाइवर्सिटी है. काट दिया, काटेगा ना, and I said that Nagoya. Understood? So which are the two protocols? So biodiversity, if I talk about highest biodiversity, where it is existing? Equatorial evergreen forest. And I talked about how much flora, just tell me. कल ही बताया मैंने, 3 lakhs. And how much fauna? Yes? 13 lakhs. And India has how much flora? 47,000. It means around 16% of the world. Around how much? 16% of the. Yes. So 47,000 we have, I said that, biodiversity in the form of flora in India. And fauna, how much is, tell me? India में how many? 95, 96. आप यदि whole number में याद रखना चाहते हैं, that is 95,000 like this. Thereafter I said that it is around 8% of the world. And I talked to you that where is the highest biodiversity of flora in India? Northeast. Where it is? Where it is, I said that? So 50% of the flora, it is what? Flora is there. And how much total flora we have? Just tell me. 47,000. Next point, I said that biodiversity hotspot. I said biodiversity hotspot. Biodiversity hotspot. I said that what is the total plant species? Just tell me. 3 lakh. What is the 1% of it? What is the 1% of 3 lakh? And 0.5% of 3 lakh? 1,500. Biodiversity hotspot के लिए the first important point is there. At least 0.5% of what? Flora, or 1,500, what is in a, I said, flora species and should be, what is the name? Flora species means what? Vegetation. And vegetation, maybe I said that. Vegetation, chalo likh lo, vegetation should be endemic. Should be endemic and vascular. Endemic you must be knowing. It is in a kind of primary. In this reason I said that endemic species means they were found only in that region in the world. Their origin, it is there in the same region. I said that endemic. And then vascular means I said that long trees. I said that. So endemic ho, but it should be vascular. It is not I am talking about small trees. Endemic and vascular. Understood? So at least 0.5% flora or vegetation, or I said that 1500 flora species or vegetational species, not animal species I am talking about, flora. And should be endemic and vascular. Understood? Another, कि वहां पे जो एंडेमिक हो एटलीस्ट 0.5% तो हो, इससे ज्यादा हो तो और अच्छा है. Yes? Understood? And at least 70% of vegetational species are in, what is the name? Yes, tell me. क्या होगा? Huh? Yes? It is more than 70%, at least 70% means more than 70% is what is the is going to, what is the yes? Endangered. What is endangered? Yes, that's correct. Tell me, what is endangered? Huh? After vulnerable. Very good. Huh? Yes, at least more than 70% is what? Extinct. Yes or not? Finishing in that region. That is most of the species are, what is more than the 70% species are, what is getting what? What are the IUCN Red List? क्या बोलता है? What is the IUCN Red List is talking about? What is the first? Extinct. What is the first point? Second point is? What is the meaning of extinct in the wild? तो उसका मतलब क्या है? वो तो मैं भी समझ रहा हूँ. Extinct in the wild or not in the wild. Yes. In the somewhere in circus, somewhere in the zoo, here and there they have been kept. So इसका मतलब है extinct in the wild state means in the forest areas it has been completely finished. So उसके बाद critically endangered, vulnerable and all it comes. So at least 70% of the vegetation species are in the, what is the facing what? Extinct. And who has given this as a biological diversity hotspot? Yeah? Who has given?